The Unity software is designed with audiologists in mind. Every test and setting can be extensively customized to meet the needs of any clinic. Not only does this save clinic time by avoiding software adjustments during testing, but allows for seamless assessments, ensuring the ease and comfort of your patients. To edit an existing test within Unity, select the Tools menu at the upper left side of your screen. Then click Test Definitions and select which test you'd like to edit. To open the test settings, click Edit. The Editor for Test Definitions window allows you to personalize each test within Unity to your unique clinic needs. Test names can be changed and descriptions can be added to help providers understand each assessment. Each test will default to the unaided condition, but this default can be switched to aided when applicable, like during free field testing. Also in the General tab is the ability to change signal type and transducer. You can also change the function of the interrupter to auto-present, start or stop when pressed, and more. To help maintain consistency between clinics or providers, a default starting presentation level can be selected. Additionally, a minimum number of presentations in order to establish threshold can be selected. This setting can be toggled on and off. Other adjustments include masking presentation settings like signal type and transducer, as well as step size are found here as well. Uncomfortable loudness level limiter can be added when measured. This prevents presentation levels above a patient's UCL. The setting can be further customized by changing the limit to differing dB levels above or below measured UCL. In the Frequencies tab, you will find a list of test frequencies that are available to you. In the selected list are the frequencies that will appear during testing. To add or remove a frequency from your selected list, simply select the desired frequency and click the arrows to move your selection between lists. You can also change the order of frequencies tested by using the up and down buttons. In the Curve Styles tab, the color and style of each curve can be adjusted. Symbols must be selected for each curve and response type. In the drop-down menu, you can select the appropriate symbols for your country. In the Rules tab, you can adjust mandatory settings and other automated reminders. In order to ensure complete testing regardless of clinic or provider, you can enable a mandatory frequency check for any and all frequencies tested. You can also toggle on and off a consistency check, which makes sure all results are consistent with one another. Also found in this tab is the ability to check that a stimulus was presented before a threshold is stored, as well as a check for interactive frequency testing. Not only can you enable an interactive check, but you can also adjust the intensity difference between octave frequencies that prompts this reminder. Masking can be a complicated process. In order to ensure accurate and consistent results, you can enable masking hints and the masking assistant in this final tab. The Unity software can also automatically store a masked threshold when it is obtained. In reference to these ascitive measures, the minimum intraoral attenuation for air conduction testing, as well as testing with inserts, can be adjusted either overall or by frequency. Frequency-specific intraoral attenuation can be measured in your clinic, or research norms can be utilized. Masking method and increment steps can be customized as well to ensure the masking assistant is functioning unique to your preferences. To save your changes, click OK. You will be prompted to restart the software to apply these adjustments.